morning. Paramesh here. Some important integral formula. Integral e power x dx equal to e power x plus c. Integral e power ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a e power ax plus b plus c. Integration a power x dx equal to 1 by log a power x plus c. A greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Integral a power mx plus n dx equal to 1 by m log a power mx plus n plus c. A greater than 0 and a not equal to 1. Exercise 2.3, question number 1. Integrate the following with respect to x. First question, e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x. Let I equal to integral e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x dx. Multiple of dx e power log a power x plus e power log base a power a minus e power log xn dx. xn dx. The value e power log a equal to a. E power log a equal to a. E power log a power x equal to a power x. E power log a power a equal to a power a minus e power log x power n equal to x power n dx. Integral a power x dx equal to 1 by log a power x plus a power a constant. Integral dx x minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. In the integral value e power x log a plus e power a log a minus e power n log x integrate of value 1 by log a power x plus a power x x minus x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. A power x minus e power x log b by e power x log a b power x. The solution. Let I equal to integral a power x minus e power x log b divided by e power x log a b power x dx. Let a power x minus e power l log b by e power x log a b power by e power log a power x into b power x. A power x minus e power log a equal to 1. अब e power log 1 ना e power log a equal to a b power x by a power x into b power x. Denominator value multiple value, numerator value subtraction value. The splitting value a power x by a power x into b power x minus b power x a power x b power x. A power x a power x a power x cancel. A power x a power x cancel. B power x b power x cancel. Balance value 1 by b power x minus 1 by a power x. Integral I equal to 1 by b power x minus 1 by a power x dx. Numerator changes, denominator changes of 1 by b power x inverse value b power minus x. 1 by a power x a power minus x dx. Integral value integral 1 by b power x dx or 1 by b power minus x dx. Integrate of 1 by log b power minus x coefficient negative minus 1. Next minus 1 by log a minus of central value minus 1 by log a power minus x or coefficients minus 1 by minus 1 plus c. Minus denominator changes 1 by b power x log b minus into minus plus a power x 1 by 1 by a power x log a minus 1 by b power x log b plus c. The integrand of question number 2, a power x minus e power x log b by e power x log a b power x dx equal to 1 by a power x log a minus 1 by log b plus. Question number 3, integral e power x plus 1 whole square dx. Integral I equal to 1 by integral I equal to e power x plus 1 whole square dx e power x dx. E power x plus 1 whole square a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square mean a square plus 2ab plus b square formula. E power x plus 1 whole square e power x equal to a, b equal to 1. E power x 2x plus 2 into e power x plus 1 into e power x dx. E power 2x into e power x, e power 3x plus 2 into e power 2x plus e power x dx. E power 3x by 3 plus 2 into e power 2x by 2 plus e power x plus c. Power 3x. E power 2x 1 by 2 e power 2x. E power x e power x. The integral value e power 3x by 3 plus e power 2x plus e power x plus c. Fourth question, e power 3x minus e power minus 3x by e power x. I equal to e power 3x minus e power 3x by e power x dx. E power 3x by e power x minus e power 3x by e power x dx. E power 3x minus e power x minus e power minus 3x e power x minus x dx. E power 3x minus x e power 2x. E power minus 3x e power minus x e power minus 4x. We know that e power ax e power ax e power ax dx equal to 1 by a e power ax. E power 2x by 2 e power minus ax dx minus 1 by a e power minus 4x. E power minus 4x by minus 4 plus c. E power 2x e power 2x by 2 plus e power minus 4x by 4 plus c. Question number 4. Question number 5. E power 3x plus e power 3x plus e power 5x by e power x plus e power minus x. Let I equal to e power 3x plus e power 5x by e power x plus e power minus x dx. E power 2x plus 1 by e power x plus c. Integral of e power 3x multiple e power 3x denominator 1 by 1 by x e power x e power x e power 3x changes 1 by e power x changes e power 3x e power x 1 plus e power 2x by e power 2x plus 1 dx. E power 4x into dx. E power 2x plus 1 e power 2x 1 cancel. E power 2x plus 1 e power 2x 1 cancel. E power 4x dx. Into e power 4x dx 1 by 4 e power 4x plus c. Question number 6. 1 minus 1 by x squared e power x plus 1 by x. That I equal to integral of 1 minus 1 minus 1 by x squared e power x plus 1 by x dx. Formula integral d of e power x plus 1 by x a of e power ax dx equal to integral d of e power ax. Formula mean e power x plus 1 by x plus c. 2 mark question, very short answer. Another method, I equal to 1 minus 1 by x squared e power x plus 1 by x dx. Put t equal to x plus 1 by x. dt by dx equal to x differentiation 1 by x differentiation minus 1 by x squared. Integral I equal to e power t dt. Question number 7. 1 by x log x whole squared. 1 by x log x whole squared. Let I equal to integral 1 by x log x whole squared equal to, put t equal to log x. Put t equal to log x. Differentiation with respect to x, dt equal to log x differentiation 1 by x into dx. 1 by x into dx. I equal to integral t square x 1 by x log x whole square log x 1 by x dx equal to dt. Log x mean t, therefore log x equals t square 1 by t square dt. Numerator changes t power minus 2 dt. X power integral x power n dx, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, t power minus 1 by minus 1 plus c, minus 1 by t plus c. I equal to minus 1 by log x plus c. Minus 1 by log x plus c. Very important question. If f dash of x equal to e power x and f of 0 equal to 2, then find f of x. Solution. Integral f dash of x dx equal to e power x dx. F of x equal to e power x plus c. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0. F of 0 equal to e power 0 plus 1. F of 0 equal to 2. F of 0, f dash in the f dash of x. F of 0 given the value 2. 2 equal to 1 plus c. Therefore 2 minus 1, c equal to 1. Equation 1 implies f of x equal to e power x plus 1. Very important question. So important formula, integral sin x dx equal to minus cos x plus c. Integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Integral secant squared dx equal to tan x plus c. Integral cosecant squared x dx equal to minus cot x plus c. Formula, integral sin ax plus b plus ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a minus 1 by a cos ax plus b plus c. Integral cos ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a log sin ax plus b plus c. Integral secant squared ax plus b dx equal to 1 by a tan ax plus b plus c. Integral cosecant squared ax plus b dx equal to minus 1 by a cot ax plus b plus c. So important formula, by using this example 2.20, evaluate integral 2 sin x minus x dx equal to minus cos x. So minus 2 cos x minus 5 sin x. Integral cos x dx sin x minus 5 cos x minus 5 sin x plus c. Integral sin x equal to minus cos x. Integral sin x equal to minus cos x. Integral cos x dx equal to sin x plus c. Using this formula, we get the value integral minus 2 cos x minus 5 sin x plus c. Example 2.21 evaluate integral sin squared x dx. The change into simple integrand cos 2x equal to 1 minus 2 sin squared x. Sin squared x equal to 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2x. Evaluate the integral sin squared x dx. The solution we get, let I equal to integral sin squared x dx equal to integral 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 common value, integral dx minus cos 2x dx. 1 by 2 integral dx means x minus integral cos 2x dx 1 by 2 sin 2x plus c. Integral dx x minus integral cos 2x sin 2x by 2. Example 2.22. Evaluate integral cos 2x divided by sin squared x cos squared x dx. The change into simple integrate cos 2x by sin squared x cos squared x equal to cos 2x cos squared x minus cos squared x by sin squared x cos squared x. Cos squared x cancel. Minus sin squared x divided by sin squared x cos squared x. Sin squared cancel. 1 by cos squared. 1 by sin squared mean cosecant squared. 1 by cos squared mean secant squared. Integral cosecant squared minus secant squared dx minus cot x minus tan x plus c. Next question. Example 2.23. Evaluate integral root of 1 plus sin 2x dx. Integral root of 1 plus sin 2x dx equal to a plus b whole squared, a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. One identity formula 1 equal to sin squared x plus cos squared x. Sin 2a equal to 2 sin a cos a. Sin squared x, sin 2x equal to 2 sin x cos s. By changing the simple integrants, sin squared x plus cos squared x plus 2 sin x cos x. A plus b whole squared, sin x plus cos x whole squared. Using this, root of sin x plus cos x whole squared root whole squared dx equal to root square removed, integral sin x plus cos x dx, integral sin x dx plus integral cos x dx. Integral sin x dx minus cos x, integral cos x dx sin x plus c. Example 2.24. Evaluate integral cos cube x dx. Change into simple integral cos 3 x minus 3 cos x. Cos cube x 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 cos x. 1 by 4 cos 3x plus 3 by 4 cos x. Integral cos cube x dx equal to 1 by 4 cos 3x dx plus 3 by 4 integral cos x dx. Integral cos 3x 1 by 3 1 by cos ax plus p 1 by a sin ax plus p 1 by 4 1 by 3 cos sin 3x plus 4 into 3 12 3 by 4 into integral cos x dx sin x plus c. Hence the value. Evaluate of cos cube x dx equal to sin 3x by 12 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus c. Homework question. Integral sin cube x dx evaluate. Integral sin cube x dx evaluate. Okay. Thank you. Evaluate integral 0 to pi sin cube x dx. Sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Sin 3x equal to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 1 by 4 integral 0 to pi 3 sin x minus sin 3x dx. 1 by 4 integral sin x minus cos x minus 3 cos x minus plus 1 by 3 integral sin x minus 1 by 3 minus plus 1 by 3 cos 3x 0 to by upper limit or lower limit minus 3 cos 5 plus 1 by 3 cos 3 by minus lower limit minus 3 cos 0 1 by 3 cos 0 cos 0 1 3 minus 1 by 3 minus of minus 3 plus 1 by 3 cos 5 we know that cos 5 equal to minus 1 cos 3 by equal to minus 1 cos 0 equal to 1 1 by 4 8 by 3 minus of minus 8 by 3 1 by 4 8 by 3 plus 8 by 3 16 by 3 4 for 16 cancel equal to 4 by 3 if integral 0 to a 3x square dx equal to 8 find the value of a given integral 0 to a 3x square dx equal to 8 3 constant x square x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 x cube by 3 0 to a upper limit to lower limit value substitute value integral equal to 8 therefore 3 cancel a cube minus 0 equal to 8 a cube equal to 8 a cube equal to 2 cube a equal to 2 hence the value. Question number 3 more question. First question evaluate integral x power 4 plus x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1 dx x squared plus 1 whole square minus x squared divided by x squared minus x plus 1 dx a plus b whole square simplification a squared plus 2 4 x squared plus 1 whole square minus x squared divided by x squared minus 1 plus minus x plus 1 dx x squared plus 1 plus x a plus b equal expansions x squared plus 1 minus x divided by x squared minus x plus 1 cancelled a squared minus b squared a plus b into a minus b applying we know that a squared minus b squared equal to a plus b into a minus b integral x squared plus 1 plus x dx x cube by 3 plus x squared by 2 plus c evaluate integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha by cos x minus cos alpha dx cos 2x integral cos 2x minus cos 2 alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx equal to integral 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus of 2 cos squared alpha minus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx 2 cos squared x minus 1 minus 2 cos squared alpha plus 1 divided by cos x minus cos alpha dx 2 minus 1 plus 1 cancel 2 into cos squared x minus cos alpha 2 common value by cos x minus cos alpha cos x plus cos alpha into cos x minus cos alpha divided by cos x minus cos alpha cos x minus cos alpha cancel remain value 2 into integral cos x plus cos alpha dx 2 into sin x plus cos alpha of x dx 2 sin x plus 2x cos alpha plus c integration integral a power x plus b power x whole square divided by a power x b power x dx a plus b whole square a power 2x plus b power 2x plus 2 a power x b power x divided by a power x b power x dx a plus b whole square equal to plus 2 into a power x b power x divided by a power x b power x of dx integral a power x by b power x plus b power x by b power x plus 2 into dx a by b whole power x plus b by a whole power x plus 2 into dx a power x a by b whole power x by log base e a by b plus b by a whole squared by log base e b by a integral 2x dx 2x plus c. Question number 4 f dash of x equal to 3x squared minus 2x cube 2 by x cube f of 1 equal to 0 find the value of f of x f dash of x equal to 3x squared minus 2 by x cube we know that f of x equal to integral f dash of x dx given the value of f dash of x 3x squared minus 2 by x cube dx f of x equal to 3 into x cube by 3 minus 2 x cube minus x cube over minus 2 by minus 2 plus c f of x equal to x cube plus 1 by x square plus c given the value f of 1 equal to 0 0 equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 plus c 1 plus 1 2, c equal to minus 2. F of x equal to x cube plus 1 by x squared minus 2. Okay.